Hello, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to deactivate parental control and remove it from your Epic Games account and your Fortnite account. First, you have to log into the Epic Games store and then go to the username and then click on account. Here, we'll get right into the settings where we can manage a lot of the settings here. First, you have to go to the Parental Controls tab and then click on it. And now, we have to enter the exact PIN code that we have. After that, we just click on continue. And now we can manage all the settings here. Listen guys, it's not really possible to deactivate parental controls, but we can manage all the settings and make it as if there is no parental control at all in your account. Just follow me and follow all the steps in this video. First of all, we have to deactivate always require a PIN code for purchase using Epic Games payment services, and then we have to make it enable it on allow voice and written communication with AI features, and then social permissions. We have to disable require PIN to add Epic Games friend, and then Epic voice chat permission. We change it from nobody to everybody here, and then Epic text chat permission. We change it from nobody to everybody here. And after that, mature language. Filter out mature language in Epic Games text chat. Here we have to turn it off and deactivate it like that. After that, we have to go to the time limits and make sure that you have no time limits here. After that, you have to time reports. We go to time reports and then turn it off. We don't need any time report in our Fortnite account. And then we go to email preference and keep it as default. And then Fortnite settings, also copy the settings, allow creative mode and Unreal editor for Fortnite. That's it. Make sure it is on enable it. And then paid random items. Allow paid random items. Enable it. And that's it guys. Now we basically don't have any limitation on our Epic Games account and Fortnite account, as if there is no parental control at all. And this is the best and the easiest method to enjoy no parental control on your Epic Games and Fortnite account. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.